to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long. And now you're gone. Took me away from all of my fears.
Good morning, everybody. How are we? Welcome to another vlog. Another day. You have to excuse the wind. Blowing easterly about 20 knots. So it's going to be quite of a windy day. Hopefully this mic cover's doing its job. It's supposed to be. But yeah, I've noticed it hasn't been doing it great. So today, we start off with the electric boat. Yesterday I went onto the onto Sulphur, which is our old navy boat. God, it's windy over there, isn't it? I can't even get out the window. I can't. So yeah, yesterday we went onto our old navy boat, Sulphur. So we'll probably go on that again today because the wind's coming through again. It's coming in stronger than it was yesterday, and I don't want to risk damaging the electric boat by over exerting the power on the motors and the batteries. And might take a trip up to Beer Alston, where I'm from originally, little village in the UK. I think was the biggest village in the UK. I don't know if it still is or not. Just on the Tamar Valley, if anybody knows what that is. And yeah, I'll show you where I grew up. So let's get on with the day. Boat's ready to here, ready to rock and roll. Mark's here. See you later on. Well, we changed the Sulphur because the wind is just, and the tide's beating us, and there's a bit of a swell. And I don't want to, like I said, I don't want to damage the boat because the easterly wind is picking up. So we'll go Sulphur in a minute. Big Sid's coming in his big boat. I'll show you the boat. That's Venture, Plymouth Venture. They do dockyard trips, so up to the dockyard and back and seeing all the warships and stuff in. At the minute it's a load of American stuff in, but obviously I don't go up that far because I only do from here to Cross Mountbatten, which is like a 4-minute trip. Wait till you see the difference on this one. Again, she's an ex-Navy boat. Still got the boat number. So if anybody watches this likes to, research boats and stuff, I'll show you the boat number. There's the boat number. And then this is my pilot station or cockpit. I don't know what you want to call it. It's the front or the bow of the boat and the stern of the boat. It's all in caps. This is usually used as a winter boat because obviously in the winter it gets really, really, really bad. Twin engine, 2-beater, 50 horsepower. Still trying to push us back onto the pontoon. That's how strong the wind is today. As you can hear as well, it is slightly louder, but it's a diesel. Diesel boat.
Kept me away from all of my tears. Now you're gone. And now I'm lost. Finally I
I'll tell you what a windy day today it's been. I'll show you the water. You probably wouldn't be able to see it. East, oh it's blowing easterly, about 33 knots I think Longwing said. I'll take you across in a minute on a trip so you can see what it's like. I mean it's not as choppy as what it would be if it was westerly. But yeah, we'll go across in a minute on the next trip, 1/4 and then you'll see. Well, there we go, that's another day. And a horrible day at that, isn't it? Cool, I tell you what, loads of police out. That's different, a Ford bloody Ranger as a police car. Right. Oh God, I tell you what, it's been a busy day. Loads of drunk idiots out. And the amount of sirens I've been hearing since all this lockdown, you know, going to the pub's been allowed, it's been mental. And what I don't get, oh yeah, it's probably going to go again. And what I don't get is people are going to the pub. I'm having a whinge now, see, grumpy part. People are going to the pub they've been having a drink with in the garden. So they're spending more money to go to the pub. Right, I better go before the police catch me, because they'll smack my bum. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Well, I've just noticed something when I've been home now for a bit. Don't look at me like that.
You haven't pointed at me.
Does it look like I'm pointing at you?
Yeah, it does actually.
Where's the lens? Or is it?
Should Granny give Grandad a knuckle sandwich?
Yeah, you wouldn't. Go on then, do it on camera.
We're going to do it with witnesses.
Oh, there you go, so shut up. Right, I've got these earphones. And they're on my computer desk. And I've noticed a minute ago that both the earbud bits were missing. And the other night, while we were asleep, or not nodding off, there was scratching by the door. No cats in here. Or animals.
Take this. I think you take your medication, that might help.
What medication? Yeah, I wonder if we can get an infrared camera. Maybe. Well, that's it for today's vlog anyway. Thanks for watching. Also, apologies for the wind that's been down there. It started gusting at 45 and yeah, it's pretty windy. I'm not on tomorrow or Monday, so... Oh yeah, tomorrow, tune in, because Carol gets her Botox and her lip fillers. Oh, that's going to be great to watch. We're not going to be a day early this time, we're actually going to be on time. Aren't we, Kaz?
Yes, dear.
Not a day early, because what are you?
A retard.
Because why?
Because I forgot.
Right, yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. See you, troops.